Imagine walking into your home and feeling instant peace, no clutter, no chaos, just a space that breathes simplicity and joy. Today, we embark on a satisfying decluttering journey, transforming each room one step at a time. The living room, the heart of the home, is drowning in clutter, scattered magazines, overflowing bookshelves, and random decor taking up space. It's time to reset. First, we remove all non-essential items, leaving only what sparks joy. A sleek, minimalist design takes shape: clean surfaces, soft lighting, and a cozy ambience that welcomes relaxation. Next, we step into the kitchen, where countertops are crowded with unused gadgets, expired pantry items, and mismatched containers. We sort, toss, and reorganize, ensuring every item serves a purpose. The result? A clutter-free, functional kitchen where cooking becomes effortless and enjoyable. The bedroom should be a sanctuary, but right now, it's anything but. Clothes spill from the closet, nightstands are stacked with clutter, and hidden corners are packed with forgotten items. By decluttering, donating, and organizing, we transform this space into a serene escape, simple, cozy, and stress-free. Toothpaste tubes, half-used beauty products, and tangled cords. This bathroom needs a serious refresh. By discarding expired products and organizing essentials, we create a calming, spa-like environment where self-care becomes effortless and refreshing. A workspace buried in papers, tangled cords, and unused office supplies can stifle productivity. We sort through everything, keeping only what enhances focus and efficiency. The result? A clean, inspiring home office where creativity flows. The closet is bursting with clothes we no longer wear, shoes gathering dust, and accessories lost in the mess. By embracing mindful decluttering, we create an organized, stylish wardrobe where every piece is loved and used. With every space decluttered, the entire home now feels lighter, more welcoming, and peaceful. A once chaotic house has become a sanctuary, a place to relax, recharge, and truly enjoy. Decluttering isn't just about tidying up, it's about reclaiming your space and peace of mind. Ready to start your own transformation? Take it one room at a time and enjoy the journey.